Greetings everyone. Today I have another one of those multi-angle videos for you. Let's roll that intro. Yes, back here at Alice in Wonderland, and you know what the interesting thing about Alice in Wonderland is that there's an outdoor portion. So not only am I going to show you left and right, I'm going to show you day and night at the same time, simultaneously. It's going to be great. So let's just get to that footage. Here we go.
The adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, how about the brown?
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. I need a really important thing. I'd like to say hello, goodbye,
I wonder if the rabbit came in here.
Lost her chance? I'm not sure where I am either.
Right, turn left, please.
He went this way.
And many a tear we shed, because we know, oh, they'll cease to grow. In fact, they'll soon be dead. Oh, yes,
The Royal Majesty, the Queen of Life, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
And the Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
With their head! Off with their head!
Thank you guys so much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes and the comments. I want to keep doing these, so I'm just going to kind of do them when I can. Kind of drop them once in a while. I hope you enjoy them. If there are any you want to see in particular, let me know. That'd be great. Some of them would be easier to do than others, but I think they would all be kind of a fun, unique challenge regardless. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to the patrons. Thank you, patrons. I appreciate you so much. Until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome.